Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MG3020 series printer software on your computer. So whether it's a Windows or Mac or Linux device, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, doesn't really matter which one, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MG3020 support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should say Canon support for PIXMA MG3020. Go ahead and select that. And then scroll down here underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then if it doesn't automatically detect your operating system and version number, you may have to click the drop down here and select the correct one. And then you would come down a little bit further on the page and select the full driver and software package and select download. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open that up to run the file. Should be a verified publisher and select yes. And then once it's done downloading, you can close out of the web browser if you want. Select the Start Setup button and then select Next and let this begin running. And then you want to accept the license agreement. Select yes, and you have to agree. And then you can select the connection method, either USB connection or Wi-Fi, and then select next. Make sure the power is turned on, and then next again. And then you can select your printer from the list if it's already connected, and you should be able to identify it here. You can then also go back up to the top and then select the startup again and then walk through different options like setting up wirelessly. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.